Okay, this is Hope, and these are Hope's baby. I don't know if you can see it well. There's 4 of them here. 1 black and white, 2 blacks right here. It's hard to see because they blend in with the mother. And this one is the very recent one. She's black. She's got 2 white feet and a very tiny white part. White nose. Really beautiful. So I'm expecting for Hope to, I think, have at least 1 more because she still looks like she's pregnant. So this is Hope. This is Hope. She's exhausted. And these are the babies. Yeah. Beautiful.